ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Rangba jong ka jelna Conrad kongkel Sangma haga sngi balang jong ka khendai terik ubanai rempang arajar arpuar ula Pynbna ban Jaiñtia rapisa hado shispa khendai pu pra Klur tingka naga benta ban Theh ye ki song Pynroi ha ki snong ba pher ki bedana po ka West Jaiñtia Hills District. Menteri Rangba ula Pynbna ye ka ni haga Jinglang bo mau nongrim ban Theh ye ka dairy campus hapo ka National Program for Dairy Development haga snong mukla Langshor ka bahap Jaiñtia constituency. Ulia thoru ba antay ye ka dairy campus ha ka jinglut ka ba khandai Klur tingka bala bu thong ban pendep hapo ubnai naiwing mentau snam arajar arpuar. Shushu Menteri Rangba ulia tho ba ka sarkar kan satay ye ka mini secretariat ha ka jinglut ka ba arpo Klur tingka na lor ka jingpan bhabreu ye ka sor Jaiñtia ha ka jinglut ka ba khat ar Klur tingka ba ka jingshna ye ka surok hapo ka nong ba Jaiñtia ha ka jinglut ka ba arpulai Klur tingka lingba ka jingbay tingka jong ka Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project na ka World Bank. Nalor kata ula pentip ru baka sarkar kan samang pisah hadu lai pusan Klur tingka naga benta ban pen itenat ya ka nan that laskain ban penlut hadu san pusan Klur tingka naga benta ban Theh ka surok Jaiñtia bypass hadu sa pusau Klur tingka naga benta ban shna ya ka surok amnarem.
Sir, your august presence here and laying the foundation stone for this 9 crore project sponsored under the NPDD by the Government of India will go a long way in inculcating the dairy culture as an economic activity in this region. Sir, with your kind permission, I would like to indulge a bit about my connection and association with this wonderful district, sir. I was the SP of this district from 1990 to 2000, sir. I had a very fond memories as an SP of the district of the entire Jaiñtia Hills. Now it's 2 districts, sir. And I recollect the great personalities who groomed me, trained me as SP.
Different sectors, we have been ensuring that the different infrastructure projects that were very important for the people, we have tried to push those projects forward. Different kind of social sectors like education and health, we have been working very hard to ensure that the facilities improve and more facilities are created. And at the same time, we have also worked towards ensuring that livelihood is created through new means and new avenues, especially for our younger generation. Based on the population trend that we are seeing in our state, we expect that 50,000 youths will join the workforce every year, which simply means that we need to create 50,000 new jobs every year for our youth. And that is a huge challenge. And realizing this challenge and the growth in the youth population, the government has started to embark on different ways of creating livelihood. Whether it is the agriculture sector, whether it's the animal husbandry sector, whether it's the tourism sector, or other service sectors like the IT sector. We realize that government jobs can be created in a limited manner, but it is only through entrepreneurship, it is only through different self-help group movements, different cooperative movements, will we be able to create the livelihood that is required for the people. And that is why this particular dairy campus under the National Program for Dairy Development is a very crucial program for us. We realized that in our state, we have roughly a production of about 1,20,000 or 12 lakh liters. Is it 12 lakh liters? 12 lakhs. 12 lakh liters of milk per month is over 675 crores worth of milk production can take place. And if this does take place, then 675 crores of money will go to the different cooperatives, different farmers, and different businesses that are involved in the dairy sector simply by meeting the consumption requirement of our own state. And that is why this project is one of the parts in the process to create that livelihood, to ensure that we shorten the gap between the demand and supply, and in the whole process create value for our farmers and the cooperative societies. This center itself will benefit over 2,000 farmers, mostly women, and we expect that this place alone can give a production of close to 1,50,000 liters, and that is approximately 60 crores of revenue per month. So that is the kind of overall financial benefit that this project will give to the people of this area. And therefore, I wish this project the very best. I was told by the director and the principal secretary that they will be able to complete this project within this calendar year itself. So I look forward to seeing that this project is completed by November 2022, so that the work and the production and the facilities that are supposed to be provided can be given to the people. I would urge my team of the Chief Minister's Secretariat to monitor the project every month, and I would like to see the progress report of this project and the photographs every month to be sent to my office. So I would request the Deputy Commissioner also to ensure that it is monitored and ensure that this project is completed before the end of this calendar year.